Okay, is this working? I hope it is. I hope it is. Whatever. Um, kind of forgot what I'm supposed to even be doing. But yeah, I've never live streamed before, so this might not be the best. Um, Hello, GRM official, GTAG. Oh, there is this bug with the crafting I need to fix. I'm not really sure why it happens. Oh wait, there's one also other thing. Hold on. Oh yeah, I forgot I was testing something. Sorry I was jumping. Oh yo, what's up, K2? Uh, I need to go in here and disable this maintenance mode thing because I was testing it. So yeah, let me do that. There we go. Okay, this should log in properly now. Oh, no worries. Just catch. Uh, Feel free to watch this after, I guess. Also, my name. For those confused, my name is Gray in game because I had to give my friend a PC build, and he basically begged me to give him a name for it, and I just hard coded it in, and I need to fix it. I don't know. And this player model is not the final thing. I'm still working on it. I'm not really good with 3D modeling though, or at least rigging is something I'm not very good at. So. Uh, uh, um, am I in current beta? What does that mean? Because I'm working on like the most. I'm working on the next version that I'm gonna send to the beta testers. If that's what you mean. Okay, that should fix that not working. Okay, that did fix it. Oh, yo, what's up, cheese balls? Still need to make the private rooms like menus a bit better because it's kind of hard to use. Select all of these trees and then kill them and then see if I got this, because this is something I need to. I'm just gonna set this to like 20 and then test damage. Okay. Oh, what? Okay, I need to fix that. Is it possible? No, because this is like a newer build than the one y'all have. And the leaderboards won't work because I'm not logged in with PlayFab, and I would have to do that from the loading screen and just stuff like that. I need to get that working too. This does look, oh, okay, this does work though. I don't know if I have, wait. Oh, okay, I know what's going on. Okay. Just gonna disable that and then, and I don't know if this code is bad. It probably is. Looks good. Thank you. Thanks. Sorry that I'm kind of just I'm not really sure what to say on stream because like most of the I mean, this is kind of boring because I'm just working on random stuff, so. Yeah, I should probably do this right now, actually. Here, I shouldn't make it into a new method. I should just go in here and then okay, this just seems to, I haven't used all of PlayFab's APIs, so I'm gonna just look this one up. It's called update players statistics request. So, oh wait, why did I just, okay, hopefully, okay, this is all Unreal Engine stuff. That's not what I'm looking for. PlayFab Unity, okay. Here we go. Statistics to be updated with the provided values, and then custom tags, which I don't think, yeah, I wouldn't need to do any of that. Even if I never knew how to code, sometimes it'd be really boring. It's just, I don't find it boring, it's just a little hard to commentate over because I want to make it like, so it's not confusing. Because like if I don't want to go into like the technical stuff on stream because it would be kind of boring, I feel. Statistics equals new list. Statistic update. New statistic update. Statistic name equals. Guess we'll call this high score, and then the value will be the score. And why did I do that with a semicolon? Okay, what's wrong with this? Method update player statistics. Okay, that's. And then. And then I guess, I could put this in its own method. That's probably a good idea anyway. Well, for this it's not, but. Okay, so this is for the high score. It's insane to me that you can just type away like this. Yeah, it's years of practice. I wouldn't call myself a very good programmer. I don't know. To be honest, I don't really compare myself to other people that often because I just kind of. I'd say I type pretty fast as well. I'm rewatching the stream a little bit, and I just realized how my keyboard sound comes through. It's actually kind of cool. Here, I don't mind making this into a player pref save value, so I'm just gonna do equals. How do I use the ternary operator again? I low-key forgot. And this is to anybody watching this who like kind of knows what they're doing. This is probably awful. I should probably do it in a better way than this, but if it works, it works. Oh, okay, I remember how to do this now. Oh, I'm just gonna call this post toggle. Um, Alright, I'm back. I'm on phone, so I can't see what you're typing unless I'm in my chat. Let's see, I need to... I should probably just do... Retrieves the indicated statistics, current values, okay. Um, I'm trying to remember, certain things I just don't remember how to do certain things, I guess. I don't know, I kind of need to, I'm making myself look a little weird, okay. I don't use lists that often, so I kind of forgot how to do it. Wait, this probably does work. Yeah. And then I should just be able to, oh wait, I named this the wrong thing, okay. There we go. I know I'm doing this really badly, but whatever. Then I should just be able to set res dot. Okay, I should just be able to. I can just do for each. Okay, I should probably just print this out to the console so I can understand. I dot value. But let's just do. What version is this? Is going to be beta 29. Okay, let me change my screen to Unity again. Okay. My internet is like really bad, so it takes quite a while to connect. Okay, so that's not working. I guess one of the things that I need to do is go in there and then okay, there we go. Should probably look in here. There's a lot of missing references, but oops. Cause like, okay. And then if I click restart. Okay, I don't know why the fade effect is pink. So I need to fix that, I guess. I'm supposed to use like the I think it creates it dynamically, so Let me share this stream in my other thing really quickly. Okay, there we go. If y'all have any suggestions for like cool things y'all would like added, let me know. I do want to make the terrain cutoff a bit better because it kind of looks bad right now. I mean, the graphics aren't great, but I'm not very good with like 3D modeling or other like stuff like that. I'm just not very good at, so I mean, I do my best, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. Why'd you keep your main scene and sample scene? Are you talking about like this? Like, is it because when you start a new unique project you create like it's called like it makes a new scene called sample scene? Let me change this back to my... Okay. This is probably not the best code, but it works, so yeah. But trying to... Oops, I did not mean to put a... Why'd you keep your main scene as sample scene? I don't know. I just don't feel like changing it mostly. Doesn't seem to be any issue with this that I can tell. Because there's a bug where if you craft an item, or it seems to happen, I haven't, it's still something that, but it seems to happen when you craft an item, it will, the actual, like you can't put the, if I craft an item that needs a rock, and then I put a rock in my inventory, it just won't go in the inventory, it just rejects it for some reason. Oh, you gotta go? Alright. Have a good day. But yeah, I need to fix that, so I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I need to fix these throwables too. A lot of the code in this game is super simple, to be honest. But let's see. Trying to think of, oh yeah, yeah, I can probably just fix this by using events. And ignore my project set up so badly, but could just go into here and then do select entered and then we just enable this, and then disable if you're not holding it. Okay. And the reason why I'm doing this is because there's a bug if you throw it at the if there's a bug where if you throw it at the ground, these throwable items, you basically just like throw them at the ground. Here, I can actually just demonstrate it. Oh, I need to actually be in game view for that to work. Okay, whatever. So yeah, okay, so yeah, it's happening pretty bad. But it's supposed to work where you wait, am I sharing you? Okay, I'm in okay. I'm sorry about that. Let me fix that. So basically, if you drop it, well, okay, it's kind of hit or miss. I think my code for this is pretty bad. Okay, hold on, let me just pause this. Yeah, so when you drop it, it just spawns the actual item in, and then, but there's some kind of issue with it that I need to, where like, especially if multiple players are in the room, it will still, like, basically I think every single client is like calling the instantiate, so it keeps spawning it in, and it's just kind of broken. So that's probably why. Should probably go into here and also disable the script by default, and then also this doesn't use the proper photon view. Okay. Oh, sorry. Why do I keep these in here? I don't even know. Oh, this is a really old version. Why do I keep these in here? It's like a really old version of the menu. Here's the actual one. I need to add a way to open the report menu. So I guess I'll just do that. I need to make this layout group better too, because it's kind of annoying to have to keep aligning it. Okay, that's kind of close to the Vinetra logo, but so I'll just call it report button, and then I don't have an icon, so I guess we'll just here. I'll just use a really random icon. I'll just do that. That works for now. Maybe I should put this in like a different thing, but whatever. Just oops, I did not mean to do that. Do that. And then that should work, I hope. There we go. And then, so there is no players. You can't report yourself, obviously, so this won't show anything. Also, why does, okay, I need to fix that, where the report text goes over the menu, but let's try this. I don't think I have it checked, actually checked for this yet, so, never mind, I do, I forgot about that. So this isn't really secure yet, but I'm just gonna add a random option here. I'll just give it my name, and then I guess we can report toxicity. Oh, of course I'm not logged in, so it's not gonna work. I forgot about that. Let me do that really quickly. Okay, my internet's like really bad, so it took quite a while. There we go. So this doesn't do anything. I'm just gonna give this some random name, like, okay. Let's just, I guess I'll report myself for toxicity. There we go. Okay, it works. And then I can review this on the PlayFab dashboard, but I don't want to show that on stream. These menus probably don't look the best either, but whatever, it works. Also, the debug UI goes over that, but just turn that off. And then okay, it looks like it's. I looked in my thing where I have a webhook, and it looks like it works. Which I've already tested this, but why not test it again? And yeah, this uses the same thing as the fan art display, which is going to take a really long time to load because my internet's awful. Speaking of the fan art display, I don't know why I keep calling it fan art display because it's not what it's called anymore. guess I should go in here and just call it the image display. I don't know. If you have a better name, let me know, please. And then I should probably, I'm gonna keep this like the paintbrush icon. I think that's fine. Also, there's a lot of options. Maybe I should put some of these in different menus, but whatever. And this should not work. Yeah, okay. Anyway, I'm probably about to end stream because... Okay, my stream quality is really bad. Why is that? Hold on, let me see if I can decrease the quality here. I don't know if I can. Yeah, I did not realize my quality was so bad. I'm so sorry. Wow, okay, that is so bad. I'm so sorry. Oh wait, no, it's back. Okay, it's back to normal. Okay, good. I still actually need to work on a tutorial because this is kind of all I have. It's just this big ball with like a floor in it. I don't know how this tutorial is gonna work. I guess it could be like if y'all have any ideas on how I should do the tutorial, please let me know. Like that would actually help a lot.